Now, subscribe to Bright Duty course at ₹1 per day only. Download Bright Duty app from Play Store and get the online courses prepared by competent and experienced teachers for different education boards of classes 6 to 10. Bright Duty courses are available for the subjects of Math, Science, Social Science, English and Hindi in English and Hindi medium. Bright Duty follows three-step approach, that is learning, assessment and exam preparation. In learning, topic-wise video lectures with explanation of concepts and discussion of textbook examples and questions are available with the solutions. In assessment, topic-wise online MCQ test, practice assignments and chapter-wise question bank are available with the solutions. In exam preparation, previous year's question papers, sample papers and model test papers are available with the solutions. Sign up today on Bright Tuesday and avail your courses at affordable prices.
We usually do code.org also in 10 to 12 sessions, but I tried to cover it ASAP so that I could cover a lot of Scratch as well. I have sent you all the link of Scratch for those who want. I have opened a lot of projects. If you all have shared the project link, Arirvan, I have opened your project. Mom, please share your screen and see my. I cannot see your project while sharing my screen. Yes, it is my last class. Let's start with what we were doing last class. So if you remember, we were making a quiz. So I taught you in the last class how to ask, how to use a join block, how to make a variable. We also made a variable called score to keep points, although we've not used it right now. I have not used it. I have not opened. Yeah, Tanishka, I've already copied your link, so please do not send it again. I will show you how did I join. Aadhar, I've opened yours also. I will show you how did I join, how did I broadcast. Someone wanted me to explain broadcast again. So let's not go into the chat now and people stop sharing your projects. I will again share my email ID with you all. If you all want, you all can mail me your projects later. So right now, let's concentrate on what we are learning. So coming to this, we have made a variable called score. So when you click on make a variable, you can make a variable for your points. So like I said earlier, if you're playing a game, everyone wants to win, but everyone wants to see the score. So that's how you add a score, which is visible on the screen. If you untick this, it will not be visible. If you keep it ticked, that means you want to show it on the screen. Now, someone wanted the join block. This join block, hello, how are you? And I joined the answer. If you remember, ask block is in sensing. When you ask a question and the user types it, it gets saved as answer. So next time I ask another question and the user types it, that overlaps the answer. So it goes over it. So that answer is forgotten and the new answer is saved. That is how we are going to use ask block again and again. So over here, I have asked, what's your name? Then I wanted the cat to repeat what's the name and the answer. So hello, how are you? If I'm entering my name, hello, how are you, Sumita? Hello, how are you, Mindchan? Anything, Tanishka, Vanya, anyone's name. So how do we do that? The join block, like again, I told you these are all color coded. You can see it's a green block, which is a green block operator. So you go to the green block operators. When you scroll down, you can see there is a join apple and banana. Join apple, banana. In that apple part, you can write whatever you want. Say I want to ask today, which day is today? Today is, now every day, obviously the weekday, I cannot be sure which day of the week it is. So let me just attach this. And I will change the question, which day, day of the week is today. If I ask this question, I want to say today is Monday, today is Tuesday, whatever. So I'm giving the option to the user. Now when I play it, which day of the week is today? Today is Monday. So I will write Monday. Today is Monday. So I used a join block. I wrote whatever I want on the left side in place of apple. In place of banana, I connected my answer. So now if I say today is Sunday, it is going to say Sunday. Right? That is how we used the join block to ask what's your name, and we connected it The same thing concept. What's your name? I am going to write Mindchamp. How are you, Mindchamp? So depends on what you write, it will answer because you're using the answer block, which is saving the information given by the user into that answer. And then it is displaying it. Now, someone wanted to know what is broadcast. We learned last class or class before. Broadcast is in events. When you go to events, at the bottom, there are these 3 blocks which you can use as broadcast. So right now it is just showing broadcast message 1. When I get one of the blocks, I can create a message. I can give a new message. I'm going to do broadcast today. I want to add a picture quiz. So I'm going to show you how to do a picture quiz. Then I have 2 pictures and I want to select which is a correct picture. So broadcast picture, and so broadcast by the name of it. Broadcast is like how radio broadcasts or a news channel broadcasts news. So all of us are getting the news together. Even in your schools, if you have a speaker in every school, like I know in my son's school, there are speakers in every classroom. And there is in the office, in the main office, there is a mic. So if they want to do any announcement or they want to do prayer or say if someone won an award for some event, some competition, so they will announce it in the office. It will be broadcasted to all the classrooms through that speaker. So that is what broadcast does. Same way, when we are using broadcast, we want to either let another sprite, one sprite react to it, or we want more than one sprite to react. That is how we used Crossy Road, the game before this, which we made, where the cat is crossing. It is reacting to all 3 cars. And once the cat is hit, the crossing stops. So one of the projects, I don't know whose name I have written over there, the cat is able to cross even after being hit. So I have mentioned over there that use the broadcast to stop. The cat should stop crossing once the event is hit by a car. So whoever's projected it, please improvise. So we will use broadcast. I will show you how to use it. Now in last class, we had started making a quiz. So I had given another question. I said you can answer yes or no. Why did I use this block? Because I want to tell the user, my question needs an answer of only yes or no. And now it is not case sensitive. You can write in capitals, you can write in small, but you cannot make a spelling mistake. If someone writes Y and N, it is going to take everything as N. It will consider it as N. So something which is not matching yes will be considered as no, because I am using an if else. I am using if else. What did I use? I can do it fresh. Suppose now I am asking a question. Do you want to play my quiz? I am expecting an answer yes or no. So I will go to control, again an if else block. I am now going to use an operator. Operator is where all your Boolean, that means greater than, less than, equal to, those signs, plus also your addition, subtraction, division, multiplication blocks are there in operator. So here we will get an equal to operator because we want to compare the answer entered by the user. So the answer, again, where is the answer saved? It's in answer block. Now we want to say, if someone says yes, then you react to it and you give your question. So that's where I gave my question. Let me just get my only question block. Say, wow, nice. That's just my reaction to show that, okay, because I want to make it more and more natural or more and more real. So that is why I'm giving a dialogue. So obviously that say block, where does it come from? Looks, wow, that is nice. Think before you answer. Now next, I am again, because someone wants to play my quiz, I've asked my question. The question I used is, who is teaching you Scratch? And everyone knows it's Mindchamp. So again, I'm using if else here again, because I explained you all, when you're making your quiz, your questions should have definite answers. It should not have a relative answer. If you say, what is your weight? Now everyone's weight would be different. What's your height? It would be different. What's the color you like will be different. So it's not a definite answer. Your question should be such that it has to be a definite answer. So like I say, which is the king of the fruits? It's mango. So then it's definite. But I cannot ask, which is your favorite fruit? Because I might like grapes, you might like apple, or anything else. So then it cannot be a relative question. Now, if someone is liking, wants to play, I am saying who's teaching you Scratch. There is only one answer, mind chat. So I am writing it over here in the if part only. I'm continuing. If answer. So again, I used an operator to compare my answer. Now, see, like I told you, mentioned earlier, how many questions have we already asked? We asked one question on name that got saved in answer. Second question about if you want to play my quiz got saved as answer. Yes or no? Now, the minute I ask third question, whatever the user types gets saved again as answer. Third time. So it overlaps. It forgets the earlier information, overwrites the new question, new answer. So now my answer is mind chime. So even if I spell it wrong, it is not going to work. It is not case sensitive. So any way you write mind chime, it will say excellent choice. And if your answer is not mind chime, it is in that is where your else place. Else say it is, oh, you got it wrong. Now again, here also we have used if else. If you see, this is also if else, our first part. Here we know if someone wants to play, we are asking questions. But what if someone does not want to play? When someone does not want to play, we want to say, okay, bye-bye. You don't want to play my quiz, then I'm okay, go rest, go have fun. So I've added another dialogue which says, okay, see you later, take care. This is how much we had coded last class. Now coming to it. So first question is name. Second question, now it's telling me you can either answer yes or no. So supposing I answer Y, so that means I want to play. I'll say Y. But it will also again say, okay, see you later, take care. Because like I told you, unless you're saying YES, it is not going to react. So now I'm saying my name. How are you, Sumita? Yes or no? So now I'll type all in caps. You can see over here, I have written Y as capital, ES as small, but here I'm writing all caps. I just want to show you that it is not case sensitive. Wow, that's nice. Think before you answer. Who is teaching you mind chat? Who is teaching you coding? Again, I'm writing any, it's not case sensitive, so I'm showing you mind chat. Excellent choice.
Now, subscribe to Bright Duty course at ₹1 per day only. Download Bright Duty app from Play Store and get the online courses prepared by competent and experienced teachers for different education boards of classes 6 to 10. Bright Duty courses are available for the subjects of Math, Science, Social Science, English and Hindi in English and Hindi medium. Bright Duty follows 3-step approach, that is learning, assessment and exam preparation. In learning, topic-wise video lectures with explanation of concepts and discussion of textbook examples and questions are available with the solutions. In assessment, topic-wise online MCQ test, practice assignments and chapter-wise question bank are available with the solutions. In exam preparation, previous year's question papers, sample papers and model test papers are available with the solutions. Sign up today on Bright Tutor and avail your courses at affordable prices.